This is how to avoid scam and fraud to make money online in Nigeria. In this video, I'll be taking you through various tips and tricks that I use daily to avoid getting scammed and being defrauded online every day. This video, when you show success stories or you display things that attract people on social media, on the internet, the scammers will focus at you. Many people are being watched daily by scammers without knowing. In fact, there is a way they watch and monitor you now. Do you know when you receive email, you can detect it's from a scammer? For instance, if you receive a mail from me, john@askjofa.com, all you need to do is to write everything after at, that is askjofa.com. Type https:// then write the name after the at. In this case, askjofa.com. Browse it on any good browser. If that website did not return an active website, then the email is from a scammer or a fraudster. Ensure you share this video to your friends, family members, and relatives. The scammer will do everything to get rid of this video. They won't want you to see it. They will dislike it. They want to bring it down. You are going to help me by liking this video, share the links everywhere so that people can get informed and try to protect themselves. Scammers often use email to get to their target. So always ensure that you never open any emails that you know is not meant for you. You will know if you are expecting email from someone. If, for instance, you won lottery, the question you ask yourself is that, did you buy ticket? If you did not buy ticket, you cannot win lottery. What you do is to delete such email and move on. Scammers will always play on your greed. If you are not greedy, the rate at which you get scammed will be reduced. Never be greedy. Don't imagine to reap where you've not sown. Did you invest or you have relatives in South Africa, in US, in UK that can send you $1 million? If somebody start writing you that you want to send certain amount of money to you and start asking about your information, you should ask yourself a question. What have you done to earn such money? Every kind of gift online from not a verifiable individual is a means to an end to scam you. Avoid such emails. Scammers will bait you with tempting titles like "see what I discover about you." Don't open such email. Did you request somebody to find out anything about you? You delete such email. As soon as you open any email that is not meant for you, you've opened a can of worms. With the latest technology, you don't need to click links before you give them access. Never open any email with no subject or title. It is from a scammer. There is no sensible human being that will write you that will not put the title of the email. It is very uncommon. The objective of most scammers is for you to click links inside their mail. If you mistakenly open emails, avoid clicking the links. If you are to verify and to double check, do as I earlier stated. The bottom line is that never open any email that you know is not meant for you. Do you know you can be scammed via comment online? Ensure you avoid the trend on YouTube comments. One person can have hundreds of emails. Is the one that will make comment under his own comment. Try to trick people that is coming to a particular YouTube to watch a YouTube and trying to lure the person to the conversation so that the person can go to the Telegram or WhatsApp to go and see how they are doing the forex trading that is earning them $10,000 every day. There is no such way of making quick money online. For every money making venture, there is a lot of work behind it, but people don't want to do the work today. They want to scam you. So avoid people tricking you and baiting you joining their trace of comments on YouTube, on website. When you're on Facebook and somebody is requesting you to let's chat on WhatsApp, they are possibly scammers. Don't just release your phone number anyhow online. People use WhatsApp to drop link to your phone's tablet or computer system. They can hijack your friend's WhatsApp and use it to drop link to your phone. Do you know that they can download apps remotely on your phone, on your tablet, and the app will give them access to your banking apps and software? They will have access to take the code and transfer funds from your account. All you do is to avoid any short links, any links that you know that is not having the HTTPS security encryptions. Never click it, delete it. There is no free money anywhere. All the popular links that people share around about information, they are tricks to get access to your phone. Also, always disable your internet every night when you are about going to sleep. When you wake up again, you can put it on. They do their transaction in the midnight and mostly towards the end of the month when your earnings and salaries are coming to your account. Also, ensure you delete any apps that you are not using on your phone, tablet or computer system, so that by the time anybody download unwanted app, you'll be able to know that no, this app is not for you. It is your duty to always check the kind of app that is on your devices. Scammer cannot scam you through your phone, your computer or tablet without you giving them access. So ensure you protect and activate all the necessary security features on your devices. Also ensure that you never save your password on browser. Hackers can easily have access to your cookies and get your password and use it remotely without you knowing. So always ensure that you have a notebook where you write your password. It will also be great for you if you can be deleting your cookies. I delete mine daily because of my activities online. So ensure you delete your cookies. It is also key for you to have several emails for different websites and for different jobs that you do every day. Have a specific email that relates to money and funds and transactions. Don't use search on public domain. Ensure anything that has to do with money, banking, and financial transaction. Never use such email on public domain. It will also be great for you to be using different browsers for different tasks. Never use one browser for multiple tasks. There are great browsers like Brave, Firefox, Onions, and those common browsers that we use. Ensure you use private incognito browsers all the time, most especially when you are dealing with sensitive products and transactions, because such private browser will not store your information on their page. As soon as you close the browser, the transaction is assumed to be deleted, though it's not in all cases. So ensure you stick to different browsers for different activities, products and services. It will be great if you start using virtual private networks. VPN is a great way to disrupt the activities of hackers and fraudsters from tracking you online. There are a lot of good free products you can use. Proton is my #1 recommendation, and those that you see on the screen now for different devices, they are okay for your usage. They are free and you can start using them right away. If you are a marketer with a website, always desist from using free plugins. Free plugin can destroy your marketing activities online on your website. Hacker can easily get access to free plugin, most especially those plugins that are not updated for a long time. They get to your back end and they use that one to divert your affiliate commissions. So you should always ensure that your plugins are up to date all the time. Go for paid plugin, most especially when you are making money with your site. That is one way to avoid scam and fraud online, so that you can start making money in Nigeria and worldwide. Never give your details to anyone via phone. Before any hackers and fraudsters can get at you, they must have access by activating a code to your phone. Never send any code. Delete any code that you see. They can send alert that is not meant for you to your phone. Delete such. It is always key and important to contact your bank directly You can get the information of your bank via their website online. Contact them separately to find out if your account have issue, because all they want to do is to open a conversation so that they can start manipulating you. Also, avoid chatting with strangers with the various softwares of different social media platforms. When you do, never click any link or exchange your phone and personal details. You can be chatting with a woman and the person will pretend to be a man, or you be chatting with a man and the person will pretend to be a woman. And always block your device camera when not in use. Your device camera can be activated without you knowing. They will video you, take your picture, and later they will use it to blackmail you online. So you can use tape to always close your device's camera, your phone, your tablet, and your computer system. It can save you a lot of money now and in the future. It is important you start using two-factor authentication. Make sure that when you are logging into major website that you know it is related to your money, ensure you enable the two-factor authentication. That is, you must get a code on your phone or authentication app before you can be able to log in. My top recommendation is Google Authenticator. It is one of the best you can adopt right now and start using. These various tips and tricks of my personal security policy is what I use, and it has helped me to avoid scams and fraud online. I teach about companies and programs that accept and pays Nigerians. Ensure you follow and subscribe to my social media platforms like my YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and on Twitter. You get to know whenever I publish my new videos every week. I earn and make money full-time via affiliate marketing. Making money online is the way to go in 21st century. The next video that you need to watch so that you can start making money online the right way is how you can make $100 daily in Nigeria. Please share this video to everybody that you know. It's going to help them. Like this video. A lot of scammers, they will dislike it. They want YouTube to delete this video. But if you share it around, they won't be able to achieve their aim. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please be safe online. Thank you and God bless you. Bye for now.